Time to get to work. Oh, hold on. I have obtained a 2012 Kia Sportage, 126,000 miles on her. Last oil change sticker says service performed at 7/17/2024. She's got a new compressor. What in the aisle 14 Home Depot bolts is going on here? Obviously, first thing we need to do is change the oil. So let's go ahead and do that. Yeah. This thing rips, by the way. She's pretty quick. What do we got? Wish wash. Pretty full, decent. Coolant, decent. Peek at this air filter. Oh, she's clean. This thing is luxurious, by the way. We have heated and ventilated driver's seat, heated passenger seat, 2 sunroofs. Check the cabin filter. Nice little twisty release deals. Like that. Oh, and we got the glove box air conditioning vent. This thing's top tier, buds. Oh, brother. That's staying out. We're not putting that back in. Oh, man. How many dead baby mice are in here? We don't know, but we're gonna figure it out. That is certified disgusting. Moving on. Everything else is looking, 10 milli. Supposed to go right there. That should do the trick. Free of charge, by the way. There you go. What are we doing with these bolts, man? I mean, is it that hard just to find the proper bolts? What happened to the old ones? What's the story behind the Home Depot bolts? We don't know. Try belt? She's looking pretty good. All right. Oh, it's toasty. Let's try out to the Viver Rolly Boy today. Let's grab the Vim ratchet and let's try Milwaukee's pack out socket, because why not? What are we working with down here? This is very similar to the Kia Seltos. A little bit of an oil seepage going on. Okay. Possible chain case seepage. Maybe the valve cover. Yeah. Come on, McDaniel. There she goes. Okay. 0 spills. Nice. Little murky. Not looking too bad. Also, not over torqued. Look how the crush washer just comes off. For the most part, impressive. New washer for you, Bradley. Bare hands method on the oil filter. Oh, she's very loose. Good luck. 0 spills, as I was saying. Right, magneto on the drain. Already forgot about that new feature. And we're gonna grab this dangly magnetus on a stick here. In position. Rotisserate. Good form, wipe that off. We don't make any messes in this garage. Frontal brakes, let's give that a feel. That's about 3-4 millis to the sensor. Swaby links. Peek the caboose here. Rotors, not looking so good. Get a feel for these brakes. It's maybe 3. That looks suspect, right? Why is this guy aiming down? Brother, what? Well, that looks strange. Looks like the original calipers. So, is that normal, Kia? A little bit of tension on there, bud. Don't know about that. Rear inner pads, about 3 millis, maybe 2. We're good on that. Torn rear Swaby Link boots. We don't care about that too much, but that does mean they're gonna wear out faster and eventually cause some excessive play. Right now, that feels good, and that feels good. All-wheel peel pumpkin right there. Kia Sportage oil filter, same part number as the 2012 Kia Sportage. What a convenience that is. Garboach. Brand new OEM Kia oil filter. Just gonna take a little sample of that used oil, rub it right on that O-ring. Don't pre-fill it because there's no point. We're just gonna find its little home in here. Spin her on, hand tight. Just a little bit of a that should be good. Beautiful. Simba. Into your home, 30 foot-pounds. Come on, McDaniel. There she is. Now just feel it. We're gonna feel for 30 foot-pounds. In case you don't believe me, we're gonna give it a little checky poo with the snappy torque wrench. 30 foot-pounds. 30 foot-pounds, okay. 17 mil Watson. Let's give this a proper flip. Good form. Bit of the razzmatazz here. Yep, oh yeah, yep. Pivot. Little raggy poo action here. Mint, sit you back, Jack. Gonna have to empty this. I will show you that in the next video. Yeah. Swap this guy out. Okay. So she takes 4.9 quarts of 5W30. It's about 3 quarts there, 4 quarts here. Come here. In you go. Good stuff right here. Just a smidge more here. That's looking good. Loosely install that cappuccino there. Take off this cappuccino and in you go. Don't be afraid to grab this shaft as you're pouring her in. That's some good looking Earl right there. Cappuccino back on that. Ready to go again. Close off this valve. Give her a little shimmy shake. Come on, there we go. Back into your home. Nice little drip system I got going on here. Don't have to worry about a thing. Back into your home. Cappuccingus. Hold on. OCD. Engage. Put this cover back on. Start you on up. Let that oil flow for a few minutes. Remove this atrocity. Probably open up the garage doors a smidge. Garboach. Some water. Raggy poodle. This is Shelly, the Telly, by the way. Believe it or not, this 6,500 some odd pound mid-size SUV V6? No. V8? No. Baby engine with the turbo. She actually gets up and goes. We're actually liking it very much, not to mention 10-year, 100,000 mile warranty, twice as good as Honda's warranty. So riddle me that, bud. We're just gonna let her rip, see how she goes. I'll be making a video on Shelly the Telly shortly. That's my daily driver to get to work. It definitely gets the job done. Okay, turn it off. Right in between the full and low mark. So if I let this vehicle sit for a little bit longer, it'll likely be at that upper mark. And we like that. We're gonna call it good. Get in there.